Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 7 of art mass and I'm giving you a bit of update on the hair. So if you did not watch the live, go ahead and watch the live and you'll know why I'm doing this today. Alright, I just have 30 minutes on this. Alright, so I have to clean up my phone, but anyways, a bit of update. So this is how my hair is. I literally woke up with the do-rag off and this is how it is. Buns down, edges out, everything is rough and dry. I did my hair Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon because I started after 11 and it went into after 12. It's now Saturday in the afternoon after 2, close to 3 o'clock, right? I'm not sure exactly, but I know it's 2-3 o'clock. Okay guys, so because the do-rag was off last night, my hair is now dried out. Now if you watch the live, you will see how much hair there was a lot of hair that came out, right? Now because it's dry, I would have to moisturize it, and I mentioned in my waistline video that you have to keep your hair moisturized. Now because the do-rag fell off, it's now dry, so I need to re-moisturize, and I'm going on the road, right? So this is how I re-moisturize my hair after what, 2 days, because I did it on Thursday. Today is Saturday, just say 2 days. All right, so I have to re-moisturize on the second day, the 2 days instead of 3, because the do-rag fell off, and 2, I did not wash it before I did the retwist, so it's a bit dry. So to prevent a lot of hair loss, meaning the hair breaking off because it's dry, I would have to re-moisturize. All right guys, so let's get into it. So this is how I re-moisturize my hair. So this is how it is. I'm going to take out the scrunchie. Should I pull this back a little bit more? Take out the scrunchie. Probably should I bring this up a little bit. Alright, so that is how it is. I'm going to take these out because I want the hair to get moisturized well. So I'm taking these things out. And so far the plait and twist is holding up, guys. It wasn't as tight as I wanted, but it's holding up. It's holding. See there, you can see that it's not tight, and it's just been 2 days. That's it. See there, a lot did not catch, or it could be a new growth, I don't know. But it's looking good so far. Not bad for the twist. As long as I keep it catched up, it doesn't look as bad. All right, so re-moisturizing. Let me go for my towel real quickly. All right, so I have my towel here. I don't want my shoulder to get wet because I'm basically combing my hair to leave out right now. All right, so what I'm going to do, I have my water here. Just gonna spray it. Ensure that the roots are all drenched in water. And I rub it in, massage it in. I'm doing it as quickly as possible because I need to go. And guys, I did not feel as well this morning. I just felt sleepy. For those who watched yesterday's video, I mentioned that it feels like I was catching the flu or the cold. So I took 4 pills. 4 pills, guys. So up to this morning, when I should be working and doing things, I still felt a bit sleepy. I still felt drowsy, etc. And I didn't feel like even going to the supermarket. I was just thinking to just buy snacks for Monday for my children, and I go without for this weekend without groceries. But once I took a nap and then showered, I felt a little bit better. So now I I decided I'm going to go grocery shopping, but I must make it back by 6 because my husband needs to go somewhere, and it's now 3 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock, or a little after 3 o'clock. So it's now drenched in water, the roots drenched in water. There's no space left where it's dry. Alright, so now for the ends, I'm just gonna spray a little bit, not too much, because I want to use the other products on the ear ends. So I don't want to overpour it so that it's dripping on my clothes. So just a little bit. So I have this here. It's similar to the water, but it has more in it, more vitamin E, aloe vera oil, jojoba oil, etc. So it has more in it than just the plain water. So I put it on the ends like that. I have to drench it, guys. It was really dry this morning, very dry. I'm gonna put some at the roots and at the edges. And massage it in. Similar to when I'm washing my hair with the shampoo. You have to massage it in, guys. Now, I'm not a fan of this anymore. For those who watched the video on what I did, it's now 3 o'clock, guys. So my phone just alarm. So I'm not really a fan of this one anymore, but I'm going to use it up, but I'm not going to rebuy it. I might show you when I come back what I put in this bottle here. I bought this bottle like this, and then I pour the aloe vera gel in it, and I bought 2 of those and put it in this bottle here. So this is actually aloe vera gel, but I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to use it, and it's going to rain soon, guys. No, I don't like how it makes my hair feel, so that's why I'm not going to rebuy it. But it smells good. I just don't like the feeling of it. Alright, so now it's all drenched. So now I'm gonna go in with my Indian M, and it's almost done, guys. Almost. It has the castor oil in it, and for those who are watching the videos, the castor oil that I put in it, it actually runs. Try and get the castor oil that is very thick, so that it doesn't run like this. Alright, guys, see there? I was searching for a castor oil that was very thick, but I couldn't find any. I found one online, and boy, you can't bother with online things sometimes. But I'm gonna try and purchase it one day and see what happens. But for now, I'm still searching for the best castor oil. The best ones are the homemade ones, but I haven't seen anybody selling it on the road or at the roadside for a while now. But if I do see them, I'm going to buy it from them, because they have the thick ones. Alright, but for now, I would have to buy it in store or online while I'm not seeing them on the roadside. Alright, so what I did was to take out some of this into that one there and mix the castor oil in it. But because this is now halfway, I can just buy the castor oil and mix it in. I have an elastic band there. I just mix the castor oil in it, and we're good to go because there's space in it. Alright, so I need to buy a castor oil probably next week, Saturday or so, to mix back into that ear oil, the Indian M Blue Magic. So I need to buy back that for next week, Saturday. Alright, castor oil is very good for your hair, guys. So I'm massaging it in. Putting it on the ends. Don't leave out the ends, guys. These parts, very important. Very important to keep them, okay? Alright. So now I'm gonna catch it back up because I'm done. And that is how I re-moisturize my hair after 2 or 3 days of it being dry. Alright? It prevents the hair from breaking, guys. And try to drink a lot of water. I don't drink a lot of water, but if I don't drink a lot of water, I ensure my hair is well moisturized. Alright? I'm gonna catch it back up. And then I'm going to wrap it back in the bun to protect the ends. Like that. And there you go. And then I'm going to do my edges real quick. I only have a few minutes left on this, few seconds left on this, and then I would have to delete some videos to get some space, just like that. And then I brush in. I don't need to use the aloe vera spray because my hairs are already drenched in it. Then I do the edges. And that is all it is. Bye guys, I will see you soon. Artwork fly. What they doing?
Yoga, of course.
Yoga. The devil's a liar. Let's go.
It's hiding, let's go! Let's go to the fall! Let's go to the fall, let's go to the fall! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh my god, he got! Let's go! Whoa, that's up so high!
Bring it back. Okay guys, so I am back home. It's been a while. I'm back home, but I didn't vlog at the supermarket because you guys already seen that video, so I didn't vlog at the supermarket. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cook like a quick Saturday night dinner for me and my husband. My kids already ate, and what I'm going to make, my kids do not like, so I'm basically going to make pizza for me and my husband. I make it my way and I add what I want to add to it, so it's usually filling. So I'm going to do that quick, and I make it so often. You guys can see it in the intro. I make it so often. It is good, it is delicious, and it takes not much time, to me at least, depending, but it's actually after 7 now in the night and I haven't started to cook anything as yet. So I'm gonna get that quickly done. My husband is on the road, so I want to get it done, and by the time he is here, everything is ready. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you everything that I have out, and let us begin, guys. It's a bit messy, but you can see what is happening. I have my meat kind. I have the piece. I have the sausage here. I have the sweet pepper and the cheese, and I have beef. This is the burger meat. Oh, you guys see it? Yeah. This is the burger meat. And I have the cheese here. I can add whatever I want to it. And I have all the seasoning. I have parsley, oregano, basil. I have Parmesan cheese, onion powder, a little bit of black pepper is going to be added to it, and this is actually garlic. I pour it out in the black pepper container, and this is the base that I'm going to use, quick and easy. So this is it, guys. Alright, so I'm going to make this and come back. Alright, so I finished making the dough. So what I'm doing now, I'm leaving it so it can rise. I put the hot water in, then I kneaded it, and then I'm gonna allow it to sit and rise. I'm going to prepare this right now. I'm going to add the basil, the parsley, and the oregano to this one, and also onion powder, the black pepper, and this to it. Guys, I have my rolling pin, but I don't feel to take it out. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.